Hey there, let's see where to find the unpaid bookings list in the Bookingjini channel manager. Unpaid bookings occur when guests attempt to make a reservation that doesn't process for some reason. Let's see where to find it. Post login, head to the bookings section. From here, click on Unpaid Bookings present at the top right corner. Here, you'll find all unpaid bookings, including details like booking date, guest name, and check-ins checkout dates. You can also check payment status and mark bookings as manual success if payment has been received. Complete booking details can also be viewed by clicking on the booking ID. Additionally, there's an option to download all unpaid bookings in Excel format. Make sure to check out other videos in our series. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out Bookingjini support.